Hello, Ripon.
Hi, Noon.
How are you going, Ripon?
I'm going awesome. What's about you?
I'm doing great.
Sit down, please.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
What are you doing here?
I'm reading newspaper here.
Oh, good. Do you read newspaper daily?
Yes, my friends. I read newspaper regularly. Don't you read newspaper?
I don't read newspaper.
What did you say, man? I think you should read newspaper regularly.
Okay, but why should I read newspaper regularly?
You should read newspaper regularly because it is very important many of purpose.
I think that reading newspaper is one kind of wasting time.
No, man, you're wrong.
Really?
Yes, of course. It's called the storehouse of knowledge. If you read newspaper regularly, you will know all kinds of information and different knowledge.
But sometimes we get wrong information.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. But if you read newspaper regularly, you will know all kinds of news, what happening around the world.
What types of news can you explain me?
Yes, of course. If you read newspaper daily, you can also know news of national and international politics, business, sport, entertainment, and so on.
Okay, my dear friend, I will start reading newspaper from today.
Oh, it's great. We must be read newspaper to be a good person.
Thank you so much for your valuable information.
It's my pleasure.
Okay, my dear friends, I have to go now. Bye.
Okay, bye. See you again.